Yo, what's good? What's good? Another day, another live stream. Come on. Alright, today I'm watching everything, bruh. Everything. It's a Thursday. It's a good day, man. Thursdays, Fridays, usually when I get the best results, at least on Forex. Alright, so let's wait for everybody to tune in, but we got some interesting stuff that I'm gonna break down very soon. But yeah, whoever is watching, man, drop a comment or something. Say hello. Come on, come on. You got the market opening on futures very soon, as usual. I think we're gonna get some longs. What you boys think? But yeah, boys. Hopefully, I think today is gonna there's gonna be something. There's gonna be something. If there isn't, well, it is what it is. We're not forcing anything here. We're not struggling to pay the bills, right? Let's get it, boys. Let's get it. I think this YM is gonna shoot up. It's gonna be an intensive opening move as always. So there's a gambling side of me that wants to take advantage of it, but I kind of know like we already done the sweep, so I think we either gonna do one more and then go up, or we're gonna go up from here. So I think I'll just risk it in a challenge and just go for a challenge pass in that way. But what you boys think? What you boys think? Anyone feeling some gamble? Anyone wanting to gamble? Yeah, if it's giving conviction of going to the upside, then yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I'm not in nothing yet. Okay. Then it would be a 5Z. It would be a 5R, man. Easy on this shit with a small stop loss, you know. Yeah, this is doing it as well. These are probably gonna go up, but as you know, the YM is the craziest one. So hey, why not wait for a candle closure here? The let's see, let's see. Get this ready. The ZU is reversing from now, but I already. God damn, we're 7 people right now. All right, boys, tune in, drop a like, say hello. You know, we got some interesting stuff going on today. This EU, I was expecting this level to be swept, but yeah, call out for my students. This, all right. Now that we're here, probably gonna wait for a smart money trap. Just don't want to be the first guy to play out a retracement. So if we get that, it will be on London close or something. But it's possible that price can just run from here. But more. Oh my God, bro! Stop! This motherfucker is running away from me. I think this on futures we're gonna go up. I think on futures we're gonna go up. But I don't know right now if we can go. This motherfucker's running, so I don't know if we can get to come on a limit here. Let's say we need 3.2k. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see until here. Let's see if we can get it, because I think we're gonna go up on this. I think we are, man. Okay. Oh no, just 320. just to be safe. Not even at the liquidity. Yeah, just in case. On a limit. I mean, right now it has to be stopped. It is what it is. I don't know. Yeah, cause yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna gamble. No risky, but I think we can go up from here. I think we can go up on the opening. Let's see. I'm testing it out, but this is a challenge. Okay, don't get mad at me. Like this would be better in closed doors, you know, because right now I'm putting myself at risk here. Because I normally say it's safer. It's safer to just wait for the market to open. Right, I'm here trading on a challenge, guys. Please. But yeah, sniper right here. But I mean, I wanted to place myself here. Just wanted for the candle closure, but the candle closure was super up. So right now, just waiting for the market to open. Can be a stop loss. Easy, boys, easy. You know, but this pair just gives off crazy moves on open and then chills out for a little bit. But hey, we can definitely go towards the liquidity. We just swept one. We can continue to go to the downside, of course. There's this right here. These equal lows, but we just swept this. And we have these equal highs of Asia high, of an inducement that was made previously. So even if we're short, we can come up here. Then price can retest all of this and then go back down. You know? But yeah, it's looking decent so far. If this goes through, I mean, it will be quick. I expect to be. And it will be a challenge pass from an account that went that was like halfway to funded and back to break even, just because of some losses. Because I guess you can say we're in a losing streak. Futures, yeah, YM, US 30 or Dow Jones, whatever you like to call it. So yeah, I'm expecting these futures pairs to maybe go up at opening or just trapped a bit. But we just had a liquidity sweep, and sometimes the way I do to predict where the market open is if we have the double sweep, if we have the trap made prior to the market open. So sometimes you have the liquidity sweep being made on the open, but if we do it previous to the open and we do a double sweep within it, the open will most likely respect the current low or current high, you know. So yeah, ES is looking like this, and then Q that you're asking, it's kind of similar. It's only doing one sweep, unless you can consider this previously low. Otherwise, it would be like a 2. But yeah, we're sweeping this Asia, so hopefully it does go up. Do you do ICT? Nah, brother. I do liquidity. Some stuff similar to it, some concepts, but my strategy has a concept that it's literally looking for ICT and SMC traders to get stopped out. But yeah, boys, what are you guys seeing? What are you guys seeing? What about you, man? What do you trade? Do you trade ICT? SkyS, YouTube? I mean, if it's YouTube. I don't know. Yeah, ICT. But ICT, I mean, I would say ICT works better on features than it does on Forex. Because I think because futures doesn't do as many smart money traps as Forex do, for example. So I can see a lot of ICT traders surviving on this, and they do. Okay, not moment of truth yet, but yeah, 4 minutes until opening. This is kind of a gamble I'm doing right here. Not a gamble, but risky. Only NQ. I mean, yeah. What are you seeing for the day or for the open? because maybe for me we can go up from here. Would it be good for my trade? I mean, it's kind of independent YM itself, uh, to NQ and ES. But yeah, or we can do a double sweep like this, just open sweep and then move to the other direction. But also the tendency is kind of bearish. So maybe we can fall. Maybe we can continue to go down, maybe towards here. I mean, it will get taken soon, maybe, but we can also go up, sweep this, and maybe then go down, or just continue to go up. I will just continue to prioritize longs. It doesn't necessarily mean because of these 3 days that we're bearish now. But yeah, are you guys seeing something similar? My strategy is liquidity, but it's my own. It's a liquidity-based strategy, but it's my own strategy. Okay. Analyzing a bit. Okay, if this gets stopped out, I don't even care, bro. I don't even care. At the end of the day, it's a challenge, right? But you boys should be moving different. If you can't afford to lose it, then don't do it, of course. But yeah, what are you guys seeing? Anyone seeing anything else? Or anyone trading something yet already? Them. I mean this sort of gamble because YM just dropped crazy on market open, and I had two espressos, so I was pumping. How long you been trading? For 5 years now. Futures only 3 months. But yeah, I'm already funded on it. I'm already good on it, profitable on it. I got a sell limit at 24.60. Let me see. 24.663. Okay. Okay. Why particularly here? And are you like swing trading or something? Or where is your stop, by the way? YM drops crazy and I had 2 expresses, so I'm in. Nah, maybe this is. I don't know. But bro, this shit's gonna move. I'm telling you. Like, look, 10 seconds, bro. Shit's gonna either eat my stop loss hard or my TP hard. This is like NFP on a daily, bro. Look. Oh. Don't tell me the day I position myself it's slow. My P&L is not looking that good. Nice, bro. Nice. You got 200 already. Nice, bro. Awesome. But what, trading overall? As well. I think we can go a bit higher. Let's see. Why are you gambling low? I mean, I say gambling, but it's like I kind of know the outcome, probability wise, you know. I've seen this on backtesting. I just say it's gambling because it's risky. You see, but in a sense, I don't really care. I don't really care because this challenge might be on the limit, and it's a challenge either way. I just want to test out something here. Because I've seen this backtesting. Because I've seen this in backtesting. And even prior to that on the live markets. Right now it's moving a bit slow. How many funders you got? On the futures, I got 2. Yeah, trading, amazing, amazing. Okay, you got 8 people here. Who else is watching, man? Don't be shy, guy. Don't be shy. Let's see how this motherfucker behaves. But for an opening move, it's kind of slow, as you can see here. I'm just doing it because it technically did the setup before the news drop, before the market open. Sorry. So yeah, on NQ it's exactly doing this. So yeah, here I can have some buys on NQ and ES as soon as we break the structure to the upside, or some fracture one right here. But that's when once market starts to slow down. But this YM, it's crazy. It's not doing much yet. I think EU is gonna melt for a few weeks now. Maybe, bro. The level on the XY that I was looking for, it's on higher time frame. It has already been swept. So, and we've been like reversing from it ever since FOMC, was it? Or no? Yeah, FOMC. So ever since FOMC, we've been rejecting. We've been like reversing from it, and yeah, right now I can see these highs get taken, and I can see also some lows here on EU and GU get taken. Definitely this one on GU. So yeah, these can still drop for a bit. But yeah, in here I can still play out the reaction a bit. Even though I know price will sweep this, you can maybe do this to trap a bit more people, but just off of this small reaction we can get a win on the day. And then it goes here. Boom. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. Oh, okay. Okay. Nothing's confirmed though. Nothing's confirmed. Right? But yeah, on EU though, what I told my students is that we're gonna go down. Like I've been waiting for this since yesterday. Even today, I sent out this that I wanted to swap this, but I would prefer to only trade in New York. It ended up being exactly New York, like dropping, sweeping this liquidity, then this as well. This can only go, but we can play out the reaction from it, even if it's a trap. Just get a win on longs. And right now, to just not be the first guy to play out the retracement on the first breaker structure, I just want to do a second sweep to kind of do a smarter trap on it. But he can easily just reverse from here, go up. And in order to do that trap, maybe in this news, maybe the news go up, maybe it goes slightly down. This news is not so impactful though. And it can be in London close as well. This is going back down. Okay, yeah. So the moment I position myself this trade, it's kind of going all over, which is not a good sign in futures. Most likely means gonna be another sweep to it. I mean, I'm gonna hold it regardless. This is dropping a lot. Yeah, so the whole day can just continue to go down as well. But it would be good to have this pair just go up quick. Because this pair is usually super quick, super strong on the first like 30 minutes, but then it becomes kind of slow. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna change this. Gonna be watching YM. Boom. But yeah, can easily become a stop loss. I just don't know how I'm still in the trade. I was 2 bands on GJ this morning. Right now minus. God damn. Let's see that. Oh, I think you had mentioned it to me. Yeah, massive drop, and I had this trend line drawn. So. Oh, and I think there was someone that was short on it as well. Yeah, it must have got stopped out or something. Yeah, painful, G, painful. Painful, man. What about the rest of y'all? Anyone in any trades? This YM has hit my stop loss? Not yet. Okay, now it is. All right. Another one for the books. Hmm. Or maybe because it's gone. It's whatever. No. Okay, there's this. Why is it white? Okay. It's dropping a bit too much for my liking. Not looking that clear anymore. So I don't know. It might be just a whole move down. I don't know. My indicator is not loading. Okay. And yeah, yeah. If it just continues to go down, there's no trade for me. So probably just EU or GU for today. Oh, we also got a sweep of this though. And this could be interesting for those that traded. The Australian dollar. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah, it is interesting. It is interesting. I don't know. Does anyone trade Australian dollar? Fucking hell. Yeah, because you just had this major equal low swept. Of course, we were talking about the XY is still going up. In this case, we just had the major sweep of it. Some sort of a trap here. I'm not gonna trade it, but yeah, this is what could be possible for this pair. I don't know if you got the Australian dollar traders there. But yeah, but since futures open it like this, I don't see a setup. I don't see a setup yet. Unless we drop so much until the major liquidity and then I take something on London close maybe. Or still during New York. But yeah. EU and GU, I think. So I guess it's gonna be on one of them days where it's boring. Boom, boom. But yeah, boys, are you seeing the same thing as me, or are you looking for UGUs to still go down? Fútbol, maca. Yeah, it's looking possible for my prediction so far on this AU. Because right now, as we did some change of character right here on this M1 structure, kind of like here, and then we can make the second sweep happen down here. And SIM card, bro. What the fuck is she on, bro? She's in love or what? I mean, you know me, I would accept that shit. Let her do it, man. Let her do it. Tell her to order you some nasi lemak. She'll be like, oh my god. What you know about that, boy? You gotta try that shit. It's good, but it'll make you hit the toilet later. She told you. She gonna order. I said, I told you. I told you, boy. I know this shit, man. Nasi lemak. My god, man. Crazy, crazy. Yeah, this is looking possible, man. This is looking possible. Yeah, that shit good. That shit good, bro. Let her order it. Let her order. It's like coconut rice or so, right? Nah. I mean, I don't remember much of the rice, but it is rice, yeah. But then it's like some chicken with some like how would you call it, like with some spices and all that in the chicken. Looks like a bit of an Indian dish, but yeah, it bangs. It bangs. And if I'm not mistaken, the chicken was like fried or something. But I can't remember if the rice was normal or not. GU might do it soon, but GU is a bit closer to the head to this liquidity. I had something similar today. Yeah, it was probably like nasi lemak, but then it's like, if any Malaysians are in the chat or Singaporeans, y'all can let us know. But yeah, there's like nasi lemak, and then like there's different varieties of nasi lemak, but it's all crazy, you know. Nasi lemak, the names and all that. But yeah, I just know that. Yeah, damn. But yeah, man, go get your Chinese girl, man. They full of paper. Boom, G, you done it. Let's see you. See you doing it as well. She's half Chinese. Oh, okay, so she got that paper. Yes, sir. Nah, I mean, nah, she must be like like second or third generation. There's a lot of them. There's a lot of them. Like generation from the past of Chinese that went there, and she must be like. Let's see. Calculator. Boom. She does sales. Oh shit. What kind of sales though? High ticket sales? I bet she makes a lot. I mean, depends, bro. Depends what she's selling and where at. Ah, but I mean, if she wants to order your food and all that, uh, yeah, yeah. My God, yeah. Take advantage, bro. Take advantage. I mean, if the trading gets bad, you move in with her, you know. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. This thumbnail look crazy. Shit look crazy. Hey yo boys, go watch this. Go watch this. Is it out yet? Or still on I can there's some Muay tactics. I don't know what you're talking about, G. Nah, okay, in 55th minute. Okay. Boys, you leave this stream and go watch this. You go watch this. From body life to city vibes. You know what I'm saying? Look at this, boys. Oh my god, man. Nah, Kuala Lumpur at night is like it's like the stay skimming from Rick Ross on repeat, man. Like a traveling vlog, not care. Yeah. I'm gonna be here, dog. I'm gonna be out there, dog. Yeah, I need to talk with you on private. I got some extra plans for later. Yo, the goat, Sean is here, man. What's up? Hi, bro. How's things going today? I mean, today it's whatever for me in terms of the charts. It's not looking that good as we did kind of a gamble here. I gambled on the challenge here on YM because this pair normally at market open intends to go crazy, and I was looking for it to go up. As you can see right here, opening goes crazy, boom. Opening goes super crazy. Opening goes super crazy. You know, this is like NQES but on steroids. But yeah, I got fucked. I got fucked. So don't gamble, boys. And right now on EUGU, There might there might be a trade. There might be some longs. Too much volatility. I mean, kinda, but not sexy volatility for me so far. If ES and NQ just keep dropping, then there's no setup for me. There's most likely not a setup for me. You're long on NQ. I mean, since I could see it go from here, and I was expecting it to. I just didn't like it how it went super down, and I don't know, man. We can hit some levels here down below, but we can also bounce from here, like I'm saying. Yeah, just ES is super close to it as well. So I don't know. It can bounce from here, but I wouldn't be surprised if it can just continue to drop. And if about to moon, let's see, man. I know the other day that shit just melted. I mean, must about a week ago or so. Yeah, this is looking nice. This is looking nice, I would say. If I was day trading this shit, I was gonna look to. I would probably already have a stop order or something on. Yeah, I can see that. I can see that. Because this, I mean, it could have been a sweep and now the double sweep, but this is kind of like too weak of a sweep, and then it just makes like equal lows or something. So yeah, man, looking good, looking good. Keep me updated on this one, how it goes. But yeah, not much on this. Let me see you. Yeah, but there's no structure for me to place myself here. But yeah, this was exactly what I was hoping for. If I show y'all, I was already expecting price to go to this liquidity ever since yesterday and all, and today even. Kind of did it like this, but I said that I would like to do it on New York though, and it did it on New York. Massive sweep to the downside, even came to another liquidity, and I sent out recently before this live just to do a second sweep into it, just to not be positioning myself like be the first guy to play out the retracement. The first breaker structure is usually like a trap, like I say. So then we continue to go down. If there is a chance for longs, it is now, because then you can just continue to go lower. And it's gonna be the news in a few. Let's see what it does. Hopefully it doesn't steal, but I'm not expecting for this existing house move sales to be a huge move though. Yeah, man. Anyone watching any other pairs? Any like Forex pairs for you, Sean? I think Australian dollar might look decent. Oh, it continues to drop. It could have been decent, but I don't know. Yeah, DXY is still about to fly until these. I'm in profit at the moment on. Alright. Canadian Swiss. Yeah. You're looking for these highs or some? Or you got like take profits beforehand? Okay. Yeah, it's decent. I go liquidity to another, and now possibly here. And if it wants to go down or up, I could see it. I could see it. But I did not told you, but I have literally two girlfriends in Bali waiting for me there. It is, man, crazy. I'm in for a weekly gap just above the 59 area. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, if this is the lowest point, in case it is. Gemini, how much risk reward would that be? Sending me a message, how they love me, etc. and cannot wait me back. Yeah, but depends, G, depends. If there's some hoes and all that. One of nine. God damn. Cause yeah, man, they be like, "Oh, I love you, I miss you so much," and then like they on like some date and all that, and they got like 10 boyfriends as well. Like most of the girls I see in Thailand, and then they talking about love in their stories and all that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, look in, but yeah. Keep them in there. Keep them in there. You know. Mm, yeah, it's a bit of a boring day though. I mean, let's see. Let's see. Normally today for me, Thursdays and Fridays are usually good for you and you. And I'm kind of seeing the longs, but still waiting, still waiting to see some. Yeah. Oh shit! Did you get stopped out on the longs? Uh, I3 Bill X 17, or do you have it at the lows? Not looking that great though. Australian dollar ain't looking that clear anymore. Uh, yeah, sorry, EU is the main focus for now. For now, I'm seeing. Okay, yeah, yeah, might do this. Yeah, sweep over liquidity, double sweep into it. Same thing as we got on EU. Oh, no, well, I said that woman destroyed me, but they did. What you mean, bro? Oh, okay. I didn't read the first one. Now when I got stopped, bro, cause like these Asians looking at me everywhere I go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Gotta love them, man. 5.5. Sheesh. Nah. Um. Let me see. Let me see. It would have to be this one. Okay. White privilege in Asia banks, though. I mean, even black dudes got it. Just as long as you're not uh, Asian from a terrible country, you got this. Or if your pocket's fat, either way. Let's see. I need to be fast in this shit. I might jump on longs here. Still waiting to see if price wants to reverse though. This is not a gambling one. This is a more proper one. In case it happens. Because I'm just preparing the entry here. Um, yeah, it's looking like a tight stop loss, so it's good. So then, if it is below 10, then you can target the 5. Still be good. But until these levels, yeah, they have a high chance of getting taken for sure. Okay, I need to be on it because this can be super quick. Okay. Gonna send it to the boys in case they want to take it. In case it does happen though. Boom. 1, 2, 1. Let's see. Stop order placed. Let's see. Just accept it's a loser before it even is. Right? Just remember to execute either way. How's the female conversation going? Good looking Western dude in Asia is life hack. Of course. Agree. Yeah, Sean. Yeah. Thomas is in KL, so y'all can link up. Oh shit, we on. We on this bitch. Man, internal link up. Yeah. Two RR enough? Well, what you mean? NQ closed. Oh shit, he came back to life. Oh, good man. Good on you, man. Good for you. Good for you, G. Yeah, you two gotta link up, man, in KL. You can show him the strip nightlife, Sean. But it's not the best, but it's okay. It's okay. It's fun. Okay, we're running. If I'm gonna be right, it's gonna be one of those where it's like super good precision. And yo, I've been obviously my winning streak was more into the future side, but I think on Forex the last trade I had was a winner. So if I could get another win in a row, which is a bit rare, it would be good. It would be good. Cause yeah, not many Forex trades for me lately. I'm not partying. Yeah, going from Bali scene to KL for nightlife, my might not be that amazing. How much I'm running here? Okay, okay, decent boys, decent, decent. See what happens when you're not gambling. But nah, y'all can hit a gym session or something. Let's see if this doesn't play out now. Doesn't fuck around now. Uh Obviously my TP is above here. I'll put it myself break even maybe once we're floating more than 1 hour and once we're tagging this order block just in case it works, you know. Hopefully this whole candle just doesn't become a wick to the downside. Yeah, how's it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but it's too much for me. It's even if I wanted the long, it's too much of a stop loss. Yo, what's up? We got no new people in here. Not A plus. What you mean? EU? My EU one? What's up, Adam? Currently in a EU trade. God damn, this bitch is reversing, man. Unlucky one. Unlucky one. If it ends up being a stop loss. Because it did run until like zero. 0.8. No, I mean, I'm playing the retracement. I know the bias is bearish and the XY continues to go up, but I'm just trying to play out the retracement here, which can be possible. It is a takeable one. The YM at the start of the stream, crazy. But this one is a valid one. I'm taking this on a funded account. At the end of the day, it's a probabilities game. Even if it's not the most sexy of a setup, can still play out. Can still play out as a winner. And the A class setups can also play out as a loser. It's all a probabilities game. Yeah, boys, make sure you drop your likes. Make sure you drop your likes. I'm out here live trading, showing case everything, the winners, the losses. Yeah, man. You see? Maybe if I were to wait on the opening, yes. It is what it is. Crazy pair, man. Crazy pair. Yeah, go test YM. Let me know how you do. And yeah, and even with this rejection, like doesn't look that good. But I've had trades where I get tagged in on the stop order like this, and it just does a massive wick, but it still plays out at the end. Anything can happen, really. Anything can happen. But yo, is anyone in any trades? Like, are you taking something similar to me on this EU? Uh, Hopefully not just because I took it, you know. And are you boys in something on futures as well? Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Ay, ay, ay. Man, and the timing is 4 p.m. 4 p.m. is a decent timing. All right, and then we got ourselves positioned. I forgot as well by the movement of news. So yeah, we kind of got a little bit of the strength of the news there, but it's like it is non-existent, right? Because I already told you the existent home sales, it isn't something that's significant. So so yeah, 4 p.m. decent timing for something to happen. If it doesn't, then London close maybe we'll do something. I don't know. But yeah, last week on Friday, I got a win on I got a win on EU as well on live. If we manage to get another one, that would be great, of course. But it is what it is. Can't win them all. Can't win them all. Yeah, it was exactly this one. I took it kind of like 15 minutes before the live, and then we pushed up. Mm-mm-mm. But yeah, it's not looking good, bruh. Sometimes you just gotta pay the price, man. You were on a winning streak, but yeah, that don't mean shit. A losing streak can just be around the corner. So yeah, I did like 20R across 3 weeks, and uh, then the last week I thought it was gonna be unprofitable, and actually ended up being break even thanks to that EU win. But this week has been kind of bad. I mean, not extremely bad, but one, two, yeah, like 4 losses on futures. Some of them were risky, but on Forex, this is the first time in a few months I'm in two positions. Yeah. But their win rate be hitting crazy, right? As long as their win rate is crazy. Oh shit! It looks like Apex is back to 80% off. So hey boys, if you want to get cheap ass accounts, go use my code Dylan at Apex, 80% off. Get yourself 20 accounts, full port, and everything. Yeah, I remember that. one thing to tell you. I mean, you told me your win rate. You told me. I mean, for my memory, I think you said like you haven't taken like a single stop loss in like 6 months or not, or what? Let me to the guru list. Yeah, that makes sense then. That makes sense then. But you told me. But you told me. I mean, not your data win rate, but that you haven't had like a stop loss in like 5 or 6 months or whatever it was. But it was some crazy. Yeah, this EU is playing too much. But it is what it is. I mean, if it hovers around there and then it's London close, it's just a nice slow retracement up. I don't reveal that to the real G's. You young Padawan. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But I can understand it with your trade frequency, you know. But like on the long term sample size of data, you're overing like around 90 or something like that, right? 90% win rate. Yeah, not the best kind of futures day to be honest. Maybe, but yeah, around that. Ah, amazing, bro, amazing. Where are some brokerage you would recommend for US traders? Not too much for no funding. Uh, depends if you trade futures or forex. I mean, I think for 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 even for forex you can be good in either. But if you trade futures, then have a look at okay forex. Yeah, you can even use the strategy of like getting cheap accounts at Apex, for example, and trade the the futures pairs of forex. For example, if you trade EURUSD, you just have a look at 6E pair, which is just a pair of futures. You know, it's like exactly the same, right? You seeing this? This is the futures one, and this is the CFD one, which is a replica of that one I just showed. So you can use that strategy, which I think it's what I'm gonna do. Like I'm gonna stop buying these overpriced CFD accounts because if I can trade them also in futures accounts, I mean it's a bit shittier because of the trailing drawdown. But if I can buy them over on futures, I can like afford like 4 accounts for the price of one CFD one. But yeah, if you want CFD forex, I would go for funding pips or funded next. You know, FTMO the safest, the most reliable, but you kind of pay that premium. And then with funding pips, funded next, you kind of on that top three, top two firms. You know, so you're still safe. If you need any codes, any discount codes, you can go to my description, and I got some. Yeah, I saw that. I saw that. It's crazy. For the first time, I think it's not 20. I think it's 19%. I don't know why. But some like, yeah, 10-year anniversary. I saw that. But I don't know if it was only for like 100K accounts or some. But yeah, it was looking cheap, I think, from 500 euros to 300 something. So yeah, crazy to see FTMO doing that. Man, look at this bullshit. See the amount of emotions each candle can give you? The amount of times I thought I was gonna be stopped out, the amount of times I thought I was gonna be good. Anything can change, man. Just have your thing set and just don't touch it if you don't need to. Right here, I'm just watching, just in case it goes up, and then I could put myself break even. But even then, I'm not closing or trailing anything around these levels. So yeah, if anyone wants to get an FTMO, I know it's the time. Those guys wouldn't even do like a 5% discount. So Apex account, but trade the futures of the pairs. Yeah. So like, you type 6. Can't be here though. You type 6. What pairs do you trade? And I can let you know. Cause like you got 6E for USD, you got 6B for GBP USD. You know, same pairs. And if I can just go here on for example, British pound futures, I have some Apex accounts here, and if I hit trade, you can see on how I can trade it. You know, I can trade it right here. If I go to GBP USD, which is the same pair essentially, but just a replica, just CFD, I hit trade and it's a non-tradable symbol. So yeah, I think it is a kind of a cheat code using that. GJ, I don't know, man. Try to find out on the internet or ask ChatGPT, because mostly the 6 is like for futures, but like everything related to USD. So I don't know, man. I don't know. But USD, you can be on the 6E, you know. Yeah, it's looking bad. Just because with that, well, let's imagine a 50K costs like $200 or something in funding pips on the next, most of the firms, and 50K on Apex with the discount, my code is like $20-$30. So then you can see how much more you can scale. Then there's the activation fee on the back hand, but you can obviously afford way more accounts, and you only pay the premium once you pass the accounts, and even the premium still becomes cheaper than the overall 50K of the CFD. It's true. You can trade basically anything. Yeah. So I think it's more of a cheat code, really. There is a trailing drawdown, but either way, like, I'm passing these challenges like super aggressive. If I have a fresh account, I'm not full porting, but like I'm basically using a fifth of the risk, just because that's enough for me to get the account passed, using like 2% risk, let's say, and going for a 1 to 3 or a 1 to 4. Depends what the profit target is. But yeah, boys, you boys watching something? The market isn't looking that interesting. But yeah, if you're finding value, leave a like. That will help me on this trade if you leave a like. I'm silver in GJ buys. Oh, you still in? Oh yeah, you're still in GJ buys. That's correct. I mean, it might have just like. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, it's reversing. Okay. So you're back to like break even or what? Yeah, yeah. I mean, I can see it going both ways. I don't know. And then silver. Okay, you take advantage of all of this, or did you just position yourself now? I think now, right? You maybe saw this the key level right here, and like you're in on this week or some. Oh, you didn't get stopped out on the pip. That's crazy. Yeah, you lucky on that. No, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Now good, 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 good. Yeah, silver. Are we in all-time highs in here? We are, right? Yeah. Yeah, good luck on that, G. Yeah. Is a trailing drawdown is present all the time, even in grid trades? Uh, in some firms, no. In Apex, yeah. It's a trailing drawdown on open trades. But yeah, yeah. The good thing with Apex though is the scalability factor, like I was mentioning. You can get a bunch of accounts and increase your chances of being funded, and it doesn't even cost that much. The most amount of people in the future space, what they do is they literally buy 20 accounts because it's the max you can get, uh, and they trade copy it all at once and just full port it, pass it, and then they make 1K in like each account, which gives them like the crazy 20, 30K payouts just by one single trade because they literally trade copying multiple accounts. But that's if you got a better win rate and all that. I'm personally just more like rotating between accounts. All time high is 50. Oh, it's 50. Oh, yeah, because maybe like some long term stuff. Okay, okay. Bro, that was the guy I met in Bali. He said he got like for 13. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. That's what they do in futures, man. That's what they do in futures. That's what they do. Literally, they get like one win and it's like 1K, 2K, or something in the 50K, and you're like, okay, cool. But then like you see they copy traded across multiple accounts, and then just crazy. But yeah, like I was saying, that for me that wouldn't be the case because then I can have huge drawdowns. I mean, huge, but like 5 losing trades in a row, and so if I was trade copying all those, then I would be largely down. I'm just saying that for the people, but I know Thomas understands it. Yeah, this trade is still playing around, man. Yeah, 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 yeah. He also told me he has like 20 accounts in Apex. I mean, and then when you think about it, everyone goes for the 50K. So then like you have like a million funded, just like that, and you full port a million funded. So yeah, boys, I'm just gonna go to the bathroom real quick, and then I'll get back in a second. Hey, we back, we back, we back. Yo, appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. It is a bit of a boring day in the markets. Again, man. I mean, we had this meltdown and all that, but I'm not really trading that. Not really much for my strat. Apart from a gamble we did, and right now the EU trade, but it's playing too much. It's playing too much. See the XY. Yeah, the XY super close to sweeping this, which will probably be, which is conflict to my stop loss, in the EU side. So yeah, most likely a stop loss on this one, but it is what it is. I mean, he has played around so much that he was most likely a stop loss like 4 or 5 times now. Mm, good. Yeah, man. Anything for y'all though? Anyone traded today? How's your PNL looking? If it's on the red, you can just say it. Like no shame in having losses, boys. Even the best traders get losses, right? If you want to see a huge loss, just rewind the stream. Yeah, man. Your video is already out, Thomas. Go make sure to check it afterwards. But actually, people in futures have been kind of killing it. I mean, this was a lucky one. Crazy. I mean, not lucky. I can see the structure here, but yeah, getting that reaction. But yeah, I don't know if he's here, but Jivenson that won the account, man, he's killing it. He's killing it like crazy. But yeah, like 30 minutes more, and we on London close, and we will trade for the day. What are you boys seeing? Okay, we got another like. Whoever put that like in is a legend. I'm taking a shit, but I can hear you. What you say? Man, I was asking if your video was already out, but probably close to being. If this doesn't get stopped out, then luckiest trade, man. Luckiest trade. You're just taking a shit off that last Nasi Lemak, right? Oh shit. On TradingView I didn't get, but let's see on live. Not yet though. Alright, good spreads, man. Good spreads. On the funded next. But miracles don't happen like that, right? Come on, come on, come on. Boom, stopped out. Alright. One loss on futures on a gamble, and one loss on Forex. The losing streak go crazy. 8 minutes. Alright, alright. Yeah, you boys make sure to go to Thomas' channel. and go watch his video right here. You just have to click the the channel of the guy that was taking the shit here on the chat, and you'll see that video. Yeah, boys, after getting this, I'm done for the day. No, little stop loss. Previous trade to that was a 3-hour window. All good. But yeah, I don't know. There's not much else I'm seeing. Futures looking a bit dead. Right, this, of course. What about you guys? Are you guys losing like me? Are you also unprofitable? Let's see this shit. Yeah, 4 minutes. Alright, alright. I'm gonna live my life so far, you know what I'm saying? And then I'll get back to it. Boom. But yeah, boys. What do you guys want to touch on? Let me know in the chat, man, because live markets aren't it today. So if you want to learn some, if you want some psychology lessons, just drop it in the chat. If you want help with anything, just let me know. Don't be shy, man. I can see every message drop in, so you will not be ignored. Yeah, 3 people just left. They don't need to learn. They need signals. Yeah, man. If I'm talking on my own, I'd rather dip out, man. But yeah, another thing. What would you guys like to see more from me? Would you like to see more lifestyle shit or like more educational stuff? Cause I can get back to the super educational stuff, super valuable on learning how to trade. But I'll kind of be repeating myself as I did in the past. But it would be like better structured videos maybe rather than just uh, this shit with which is like the screen recording or something. because these were valuable, but only if you managed to sit through it without receiving any sort of dopamine, let's say. No, because there's like valuable videos in here. But yeah, probably I'll get back to these. You know. But if you want to become, if you want the most out of just one video, then go watch this one, 2.5 hours long, which I go over strategy and psychology, and pretty much a lot. But yeah. Let's try to get the stream to 10 likes though. You always hit 10 likes. If you still haven't dropped your like, just let me know what you need from me in order for you to drop your like. Ask a question, say something, and yeah. Or leave your dislike. That might work for the algorithm as well. Yeah, the chat is looking dead today. You know what? For the ones that's watching, and the markets are looking a bit dead. Let's do a bit of a backtesting session. Anyone tell me a pair or tell me a random date, or I'll search it myself. If you guys can't type. I want to make sure my shit's good as well. It's not me. So yeah, let's do ES or some, and I'll generate the date right here, live for y'all. 2025, because I can't backtest 2026. Let's keep it 2020 or some shit. Boom, and it says June of 2024. Live. Let's do 50k because that's what we normally trade on futures. And what I said NQ or ES? Let's do NQ. (2024) June 4th, right? It is that. Simulators for you guys. I'm gonna do a backtest session since markets are a bit boring. And that way we keep the stream a bit longer. So yeah. Let's see what we got. Right, super the highs right here. We can definitely see something lower. Can be these. Can't come to this efficiency. When you see me looking at the side, it isn't the charts or some. It's just the live chat. And then mark out this that can still fail. and mark out the highs. Okay, everything look good from your side? Can y'all see the charts? Let me put the session indicator, otherwise the chart is naked. We're in New York, okay. I'm not gonna do nothing here. We're in the middle of a range. Wait for the next day. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, coming to New York, we're most likely gonna go towards these highs. Okay, we got it. It's London close. There could be some shorts here, but nah. But this. Yeah, so yeah, prioritize longs, of course. Also, let me know if there's something interesting on the live market. Just let me know. If price drops here, I mean, it would be better to go look for the longs. Right now it's giving off one sweep. If we sweep once more to the upside on the open, I might short it, but oh, wait. Let it decide what it wants to do. Okay, it wants to go down. That's cool. Market's open right now. I'm waiting for the reversal. I don't want my stop loss to be this big because it's only 1 hour until that. What time is it? Yeah, if I can do it refined like this, maybe. I'm gonna, yeah. Go, man, go. Go hit the grind, man. 5:30 in there. Jesus. See you soon. Yeah, see you soon. But you're not gonna see me waking up at those timings, bruh. I'm gonna be trading it. What's up, GMS? How are you, man? We backtesting since the live markets aren't that appealing today for me. Just keeping the stream active. So yeah, we're backtesting. Let me look at the timing. Might be a stop loss. Yeah, that's all right. Boom, boom. What's up with you guys? Any trades for you, GMS? Wait. Oh, one of them ones. Okay. So yeah, this is not random, right? We had sweep off the previous daily high to then sweep the previous daily low. Just going from one liquidity to another. Just that you can't catch this, right? And right now, waiting for market to open to sweep either the lows or the highs. Decide to go for the highs. It's London close. There might be a retracement here. It is a bit too late. Though. I'll take the risk on it though. I took a quick scalp on the US30. Yeah, some longs, right? I was on the longs as well. But too early for the longs. Was a little bit of a gamble. We got nice over here. I'm gonna put myself break even since it's too late. Since it's late into the market. Hey, that's some bullshit though. If we don't get TP on this, that's some bullshit, bro. Look at how close we were. I wouldn't be surprised if the future shit. Oh, okay. Right, so we're on the greens. Let me know if you guys want me to stop backtesting, just let me know, bro. And if you wonder why I took this long or why I took this short, like, just feel free to type it in the chat. I'm just backtesting because the markets aren't looking that appealing to me today. And we already took 2 losses, so might as well just call it a day, right? Next day. Right, you got 2 liquidities. Fuck. You got 2 liquidities. If none get taken, then just stay out. In this case, boom, the one from above got taken. Too late for me to be looking for a trade. And then market continues to go up. That's alright. Could we have it? No. Okay, this is looking decent. Oh, maybe. Not yet. Let's wait for another sweep to the downside. Okay, we got 1 sweep to the upside. Let's wait for something more. Okay, 1 sweep to the downside. Let's see. This all can fail. Market can go down from here. But let's continue to prioritize the longs. This was made during after the open. So yeah, it's looking kind of good for the longs. Perhaps a London close retracement here. I'm gonna risk it on this until the highs. Perhaps even 3R if it wants to continue to go up. Okay. It's London close, so I'm not surprised that we actually got a second sweep into it, because London close tends to deliver a bit of a traps. But the market open, it's actually a bit cleaner, where it just does the sweep and then reverse from there. And right here we didn't sweep in anything. Not these lows, not these highs. I mean these highs, but at night. Yeah, I don't know. Is anything different here? No. G keeps dropping, most likely going towards his liquidity. And same for EU maybe. But not sure if it will be today. Let's see if we get a nice sweep to the downside. Boom. On open. The thing is, it's super huge, the structure here. Barely gives you any risk to reward. That's what I don't like. But if you are scalping, not scalping, but taking small positions here, get a thickness, okay. Would have not been tagged in either way. Okay, right now you can. Let's look at this spot to 50. Boom. Okay, awesome. Sort of like close to 4%. We're up like 4%. Okay, market gapped up. You guys enjoying the backtesting? Just let me know. We'll do one more trade also. Okay, we got market opening right here, but it's still 1 hour before market open. So I will not trade it, just in case it is a trap. Market open didn't move much, so we'll avoid it either way. See if we sweep the highs, then maybe we can go look for the shorts and go look to take advantage of this whole gap. This day was absolutely dead. Okay. Always enjoy backtesting. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay. Oh, we sweep this. All right. Sweep this on open. Possible longs here. Not much structure to place ourselves though. And it's gonna be London close. I'll take this as a risky one. Let me see them 15. Yeah. Just to retrace to at least the London price action, but London was bearish. New York was definitely bearish, so it's where the master is born. Of course, of course, of course. Just to say, like, we're 4% up, and yeah, just to prove to yourself that you're actually profitable, the strategy actually works. Even though it might not be the case in current moments where it could be in a losing streak, like I'm kind of am right now. I'm just paying the price because I had a huge winning streak just beforehand. Just give you confidence. Just prove to yourself you're profitable, right? And just continue to do what you know, because I'm not changing anything. You can see that it's clearly profitable just off of this mini backtesting session. So right now we're up in this. Clear stop loss. Yeah. So whatever. It's risky because of the gap, you know. I bought it, but yeah, we kind of have the whole gap down there right now. This London swept the previous daily low, but it's London. I'm not trusting it. I'm waiting for a market to sweep it again. It swept it. I hope you guys can understand without me drawing the lines. Just that previous daily low, London, you know. Not much structure for me to place myself. I'm gonna do kind of the same thing I did with the London close one. Any free time I have on the weekends, I'm always backtesting. That's good, brother. That's good. I mean, even if you're profitable, man, you should be backtesting always. Just keep the skill alive, you know. Let's see if I get tagged in. Most of these are being London close, but that's what the price is giving me at the moment. Yeah, it's getting a bit late. I'm gonna just put myself break even. Just cause if price is around here and then it becomes the next day, your stop loss is the previous low, which is a huge liquidity, and then price will most likely sweep you out. Yeah, so we got stopped out break even here. If we let it run, could have played out, could have been a stop loss. In this case, most likely a stop loss due to how close it's looking. Look, it's a previously low. It's Asia making equal lows. We did well in getting ourselves break even there. Right now, market's about to open. Okay, market's about to open. It did the sweep pre-market open. All right. Pre-market open. Now, market's open. It did a second sweep. So that's good. Right now, I just want to see some structure. Okay. Now I can use this to orientate my entry. Boom, 3R. This, let's see if it gets tagged on a limit. I would already be in on a stop order though. I didn't get tagged in on this. Look at this, guys. This might be some bullshit though. Nah, I didn't get in. Fuck, look. Look at the size of this. Y'all can't even see us on screen, but it is mini, bro. But I'll keep the order active as the markets can still, as I wouldn't be break even in this stage. Okay. And then it would be a stop loss. All right. So yeah, we went from +4 to +2. That's okay. Wait. Right now there is London close, it can reverse, but it's not looking that clear anymore. Let's see. Let's see if price comes to this area though, because it can just be dropping from these. This can be a good selling level. and then the highs. But yeah, y'all, what y'all think? What y'all think of the price section right here? Of whether I should be looking for sells, for buys. I'm gonna look for buys as soon as we touch this blue line, but price might not go there. Okay. Okay, we're making equal highs with this. So right now the market's about to open. I'm just gonna look for like a sweep of Asia right here, of this yellow box, and then I'll buy to take advantage of this equal low, of this equal high that we're making with London, and it's just an overall liquidity. But we're still a bit far from the market open, so I'm just wait a little bit. We also got the sweep of this. This was made pre-market open. Yeah, I don't really like it. Although I predicted it, I don't really like it. Yeah, let me know if y'all would take the longs here. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, they wouldn't at work anyways. Yeah. No, just this sweep of liquidity is too weak for me just to go look for the longs here. So right now we had pre-market open doing the sweep, then market open doing the second sweep. There could be some shorts here. There could be some shorts, and London close about to play out, right? Yeah. Until this Asia. But market can also go up, continue the momentum, you know. Not gonna put myself break even yet. Right now I could do so if price drops a bit lower. It's like 20 p.m. Yeah, it could be out break even, but whatever. Just gonna let it run. And then it happens what I was telling you about your stop loss becoming a previous daily high. Hey bro, Jesus loves you, man. Hope you have a good day. And thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you for that. Jesus loves you as well, man. God bless you. I don't know who you are and if you're new here, but thank you, brother. Thank you. Yeah, the stop loss. So, oh, we're almost back at break even. But yeah, I'll do one more trade and call it off. Oh my god, this would have been clean though. Fuck, skipping too quick. Sweep of Asia. Well, first we swept the Asia highs, then went for the lows, and then went for the highs again. So making this smart money trap and then smart money trap right here. What is your take on the concept of liquidity and how do you incorporate it into your analysis? I mean, my take on liquidity is that it's everything. Liquidity runs the markets for me. So like my strategy is liquidity. And it is one of the strategies where it's logical. You can understand why things happen, right? Because trading in itself, it's like a form of commerce. It's a zero-sum game at the end of the day. In here, I'm gonna talk more like shares, but it applies the same to the lots and the contracts. Because if you want to buy something, there needs to be a seller, and if you want to sell something, there needs to be a buyer. Right? So sometimes, let's say these big institutions want to, the thing is that these big institutions want to either buy or sell in crazy amounts. So, but in order to do that, they must have a counterparty. But there isn't that counterparty in the market. So most of the times they create it. They create it by either like manipulating the market and not just top hunt, but like get people out of trades with stop loss or break even or TP whatever, just to get their lots or their shares or their contracts, you know. And then once everybody's out, they can execute on their position. Maybe this has a London close, and also because this was a trap, this can become a trap. This right here, if it does. I mean, let's see this London close one. Ah, motherfucker. Yeah, you see, just that we're not tagged in. But yeah, that's what I call the smart money trap cycle, because this was a trap. This will become a trap, because once the people get trapped around his level, they will say, oh no, we're not actually bearish, we're actually bullish, and then they will put their order blocks here just because this low made this huge move up. But it was just like people get trapped here, people get trapped here. They're just trapped all over the market. Okay, that's just an ideology behind it. Doesn't necessarily mean need to be the real thing. You know? But yeah, what you boys think? And do you trade liquidity? Do you trust it? Yes, but how could you add it to your analysis? Would you be able to give it an example? I mean, you look for the strips of liquidity. You mark the liquidities. You have a range, and you just mark the highs and mark the lows. Wait for one to get taken, and you either buy or short accordingly. Say like you have a range, and then you have the highs, you have the lows of the range. If you see the highs get taken, you look for shorts. If you see the lows get taken, you look for buys. It can be as simple as that. There's a bit more things that come into it, but a liquidity strategy is basically like that. You can see the places where I'm taking the trades are places where we take some lines here, where we take some liquidity that I marked out. In this case, I marked a high here. And you gotta understand, there's more than just equal highs, equal lows. There's liquidity above every single high, below every single low. Previous daily lows, previous daily highs, sessions highs, sessions lows. There's a bunch of it. And you can see my trades are always whenever something gets taken out. And here it was these. So yeah, boom, boom. And if I marked you, you'll see everything like previous daily low swept, boom, the market reverses from there. In here was this tiny little thing, boom, then inducements, the market also moves like this. Because when you see like people often tell you that the market moves like this or goes down like this, and it looks good on paper, but once you come to the real markets, you see some bullshit like this and you don't know what's happening, right? So what I usually say, the liquidity structure moves like this. We go up, we sweep something below right here. Perhaps you can have a position here, and then we go up. Then we make another low that didn't take no liquidity. Then we take liquidity again, and then we go up. I was like that. And you can make the same example as if we're in a down market. So yeah, leave a like, because this is the probably the only stream here where you'll actually learn something, or where you'll actually learn something where you can be a profitable trader, and where you have me reading every single message. So yeah, Geo is quite close to his liquidity. Same thing here, brother. This is a higher time frame smart money trap. Just because this low, yes, took liquidity, but already made this huge move up, then it's coming all the way back down. People having their order blocks here, they're gonna get trapped in this movement right here. And I've been calling it. I don't know if I marked it out on this. Maybe on high time frame. I did GU prediction right here. It's this same level. Or is it not? 1 hour? Yeah, maybe, yeah. From the 5th. It is, it is. But yeah, if you want to learn more, and if you want to learn some stuff that will actually make you a profitable trader, that will actually make an impact in your trade, not just explain you what's a session, what's a pip, then you guys can check the rest of my channel. If you want everything in one, I've got a 2.5 hour long video covering my strategy and a bunch of psychology lessons. You go on videos and you look for this video right here. My complete trading system revealed the strategy that changed my life. You watch this video right here. It's 2.5 hours long. Going over the strategy.
I also had that. I also had that in a sense.
Okay. You can see a bit of my story, my life, and all that shit, and the strategy. Going in depth, you know. Going like this, showing you some examples. I'm making this on my euro, but I guarantee you, I'm one of the guys that makes it like pretty practical examples. Gives you practical examples like on the charts. I'm always on the charts giving you real life examples. It's just that in case this is all done in Miro, so it's more understandable for the guys to know. But I'm not the type of guy to give you teachings on the trading, on the charts as like withdrawals. Gosh, I show you the real examples. But yeah, boys, if you boys got nothing else you want to touch on, we can end this. I appreciate y'all for tuning in, though. But yeah, let me know if you got some final things you want to add. Also, I'm gonna be dropping a huge psychology masterclass on Saturday, so make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications for that. It's gonna be a huge one. It's gonna be like the one I just showed you for 2 hours. This one is gonna be 1 hour long, but it's really what changed my psychology, what made me as a profitable trader. Right? Because I was already a monster on the technicals. I was already profitable on back testing, but what really turned things around was mastering myself, mastering my psychology. And I know a lot of you are on that point. So yeah, man, make sure you have your alerts set for that. Make sure you're subscribed. And I'll see you boys tomorrow, man. I'll see you boys tomorrow. I'm ending this kind of soon, but there's nothing that I'm seeing apart from maybe this GU one that you can take once we sweep this H4 low. Let me see. No, the DXY is still a bit far, like the GU one. But yeah, there could be a position here, maybe. Alright, take it easy, brother. Thank you. Thank you, GMS. Thank you for all the casual viewers that tune in every single day in these. Really appreciate y'all. So, yeah, boys. Have a safe one. God bless you guys.